everyone, welcome back to Power Packs. I'm Rachel, and today we'll be talking about proper Anilox handling, a crucial part in keeping your flexo presses running smoothly and producing quality prints. First things first, always wear gloves when handling Anilox rolls. Gloves will keep oil, dirt, and debris from your hands off the roll, preventing the cells from clogging. Clean cells mean better ink transfer and ultimately better print quality. Let's talk more about roll cleaning. Proper cleaning techniques are essential. Avoid abrasive materials or harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. Laser cleaning is a popular and effective method. It is precise, consistent, and gentle on the roll. It is definitely technology worth considering for long-term care. Next up, where and how you store your Anilox rolls matter. Keep them in a climate-controlled environment to protect against excess heat and freezing cold. Extreme heat can cause thermal expansion or warping of the core. That leads to misalignment and poor print precision. Is your facility in a cold environment? The ceramic surface and metal core can become brittle, increasing the risk of cracks or fractures. The preferred method is to store the rolls vertically. This way the roll rests on its core ends, keeping the engraved surface free of contact. And do not forget, always keep rolls covered when they are not in use. Covers protect against dust and accidental damage. No hard or sharp objects should ever come near the fragile ceramic layer on the roll surface. Remember, any scratch, stains, or spots on the ceramic surface will show up in your prints. How you handle and store your rolls directly impacts your print results, so keep them in top condition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future videos. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.